data time. I'm Ben with Ben Makes Data Easy, and I came across a hack with how to search through a Power BI visual, and I wanted to go through it today. I thought this was really cool. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to set up a text filter that can search through a column, and it essentially searches through any value that is contained within the text that you're searching. So this is the first part of it. So let me go into Power BI. I'm going to go to get more visuals. It's not one of the original visuals there. I'm just going to do a text search here, and I will do, I think, this one here. So we will add that in there. I get this new visual here, and I can put it up here. And whoop, where'd that go? Okay, and then let's start with, so I can do a column in there. Let's do name, and I'll show you how this works really quick. Let me zoom, see if I can zoom in. There we go. That's probably easier for you. Let me get this up here, and then I can start typing it in. So let's say if I do executive, I won't finish it, I'll hit enter. Then I get the group name there, and go back out. Let's see, exec. It's not operating how I want to, so I probably have, let me start over here. Let me get rid of this visual. Oh, at least try to get rid of this visual. I brought the wrong one in, I think. So let me get the other one here. And might be that one, but I can't remember for sure. Search, text, text, filter. We'll do this one. And I'm going to add that. And let's try this again. I'll put this up here now. We'll do the name of the department. And then I'll move this up here so we can kind of see everything. Now, this search should find anything that's contained. So we'll do executive like how I wanted to. I'm not spelling the whole thing. Oh, it's grouping it. I wonder why. Oh, okay. The other one was working too. I was thinking it's off group name, but that makes sense. So let me try something else here. We'll do prod here. I'll search, and we can see there's two things with production. So that's really nice. And the reason why that is nice is if you have a filter with so many unique items, this helps you find things very quickly. But let's say you want to search through all of your columns on this table and you want to save real estate. So I don't want a new search object every time I do that. But what I can do is I can actually go to that table then, and I'm going to make a new calculated column here. And we'll call this search column. And then I'm just going to do department. We'll do name. And then I'm going to do a concatenate here, department, group name, and then department, modify date. We'll put that in there too. And now what I can do is I can actually search through this concatenate field and it will find anything in all three of my columns, but I get to keep that single search item. I don't have to have multiple search objects to be able to do that. And I really think that's a really cool way to save real estate. So let me try this. I'll switch this out now. Let me make this a little bit smaller so it's not taking up my entire screen. Okay, and then I will take my new column here. We'll put that in there. And let's say I do exec now. I should get everything that has executive in it. Not just this column or the group name column. It looks through everything. I think that's so powerful. What else can I search for? Let's do Um, manufacturing. I get everything with manufacturing there. Yeah, so a way to hack the search feature in Power BI so you can use one search field to search through multiple fields on your visual or filter your visual by that. Very powerful. One thing I do want to call out though is I am using a calculated column, uh, and I'm concatenating, so it's going to produce a lot of unique values and that will eat up resources in your performance. So if you have a very, very large table, you kind of want to balance that performance versus the lift you'll get from that search feature. So you just kind of have to keep that in mind with this. So again, happy day to you. I hope everybody's doing well, and I will talk to you later.